Il est venu en train.
He came by train. He came by train.
Je vous dois mon dîner.
I owe you for my dinner. I owe you for my dinner.
J'en ai bien peur.
I'm afraid so. I'm afraid so.
Bob s'est fait virer.
Bob got fired. Bob got fired.
Je suis vraiment triste.
I'm really sad. I'm really sad.
Il est sur la ligne 1?
He's on line 1. He's on line 1.
Il fait beau aujourd'hui.
It's nice today. It's nice today.
C'est assez facile.
It's quite easy. It's quite easy.
Ne faites pas l'idiot.
Don't act stupid. Don't act stupid.
Il est très strict.
He's very strict. He's very strict.
J'ai trop bu.
I drank too much. I drank too much.
Je me sens tout seul.
I feel all alone. I feel all alone.
Dans une seconde.
In just a second. In just a second.
C'était juste de la chance.
It was just luck. It was just luck.
Appelons les malades.
Let's call in sick. Let's call in sick.
Allons boire.
Let's go drinking. Let's go drinking.
Allons boire un verre.
Let's go for drink. Let's go for drink.
Franchement.
Frankly speaking. Frankly speaking.
Il apprend vite.
He's a fast learner. He's a fast learner.
Je vais la poursuivre.
I will go after her. I will go after her.
Cela pourrait être vrai.
That could be true. That could be true.
Essayez encore une fois.
Give it another try. Give it another try.
Je viens de l'entendre.
I just overheard it. I just overheard it.
Je vous trouve génial.
I think you're great. I think you're great.
Répétez s'il vous plaît.
Please say it again. Please say it again.
Tammy mange un peu.
Tammy eats a little. Tammy eats a little.
C'est une bonne nouvelle.
That's welcome news. That's welcome news.
C'est son histoire.
This is its history. This is its history.
Nous devons nous venger.
We've got to get even. We've got to get even.
En êtes-vous sûr?
Are you sure about it? Are you sure about it?
Il n'est bon à rien.
He's good for nothing. He's good for nothing.
Il est hors de sa portée.
He's out of his league. He's out of his league.
J'ai mal au ventre.
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache.
Finissons-en.
Let's get it over with. Let's get it over with.
Et le répète.
She's saying it again. She's saying it again.
Ce ne sont que des chatons.
They're just kittens. They're just kittens.
Vous pouvez sortir d'ici.
You can be out of here. You can be out of here.
Merci pour votre appel.
Thank you for your call. Thank you for your call.
Ils sont dans le placard.
They're in the cupboard. They're in the cupboard.
Peut-on fumer?
Would it be okay to smoke? Would it be okay to smoke?
7.
7. 7.
90.
90. 90.
Le samedi.
On Saturday. On Saturday.
C'est très important.
This is very important. This is very important.
J'ai 2 sœurs.
I have 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters.
Je reviendrai bientôt.
I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon.
Il peut à peine parler.
He can hardly speak. He can hardly speak.
Allons jeter un coup d'œil.
Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look.
Vous avez une petite amie?
Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend?
Je nettoie ma chambre.
I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room.
Combien au total?
How much altogether? How much altogether?
Faites comme chez vous.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Le mur a des oreilles.
The wall has ears. The wall has ears.
Il est plus rapide que moi.
He's faster than me. He's faster than me.
Aimez-vous votre travail?
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Laissez-moi voir.
Let me see. Let me see.
Des messages pour moi?
Any messages for me? Any messages for me?
Je ne l'oublierai jamais.
I will never forget it. I will never forget it.
Elle a été à l'école.
She has been to school. She has been to school.
Où voulez-vous vous rencontrer?
Where do you want to meet? Where do you want to meet?
Moi non plus.
Me, neither. Me, neither.
Je ne suis pas stupide.
I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid.
Ne faites pas l'idiot.
Don't act silly. Don't act silly.
Je ne peux pas acheter ça.
I can't buy that. I can't buy that.
J'ai été négligent.
I was careless. I was careless.
Cela m'a époustouflé.
It blew me away. It blew me away.
Ce n'est pas un problème.
It's no problem. It's no problem.
Faites vite.
Make it snappy. Make it snappy.
Ce n'est pas une bonne idée.
Not a good idea. Not a good idea.
N'abandonnez pas encore.
Don't give up yet. Don't give up yet.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Je suis fou de toi.
I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you.
Il m'appartient.
It belongs to me. It belongs to me.
C'est un bon endroit.
It's a good place. It's a good place.
C'est acceptable.
It's acceptable. It's acceptable.
J'ai mal à la gorge.
My throat sore. My throat sore.
N'importe où fera l'affaire.
Anywhere will do. Anywhere will do.
Je ne peux pas vous oublier.
I can't forget you. I can't forget you.
Essayez-le.
Just give it a try. Just give it a try.
Commençons.
Let's get started. Let's get started.
Comment était le ballet?
How is the ballet? How is the ballet?
Je me sens incomplet.
I feel incomplete. I feel incomplete.
J'ai vraiment foiré.
I really messed up. I really messed up.
Je vais abandonner.
I'm going to give up. I'm going to give up.
Tout est grec pour moi.
It's all Greek to me. It's all Greek to me.
C'est bon d'être chez soi.
It's good to be home. It's good to be home.
Divorçons.
Let's get divorced. Let's get divorced.
Arrêtons de parler.
Let's stop talking. Let's stop talking.
Veuillez former une ligne.
Please form a line. Please form a line.
Pourquoi avez-vous fait cela?
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Pourquoi dites-vous cela?
Why do you say that? Why do you say that?
Tout va bien?
Everything is okay? Everything is okay?
Je vais me marier.
I'm getting married. I'm getting married.
Que puis-je faire pour vous?
What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
Ne vous en mêlez pas.
You stay out of this. You stay out of this.
Puis-je laisser un message?
Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message?
N'enfreignez pas les règles.
Don't break the rules. Don't break the rules.
N'oubliez pas d'écrire.
Don't forget to write. Don't forget to write.
Cela n'arrivera jamais.
It will never happen. It will never happen.
Quelque chose brûle.
Something's burning. Something's burning.
Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui?
What date is it today? What date is it today?
Pourriez-vous répéter cela?
Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that?
Qu'avez-vous obtenu pour moi?
What did you get for me? What did you get for me?
Tout peut arriver.
Anything could happen. Anything could happen.
Avez-vous pris du poids?
Have you gained weight? Have you gained weight?
Comment allez-vous?
How have you been doing? How have you been doing?
Je croyais que tu l'aimais.
I thought you loved him. I thought you loved him.
Qu'allez-vous faire?
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Quand êtes-vous disponible?
When are you available? When are you available?
Qu'en pensez-vous?
What do you think about it? What do you think about it?
Combien cela représente-t-il?
How much is it? How much is it?
Y a-t-il eu des problèmes?
Were there any problems? Were there any problems?
Un billet aller-retour.
A round-trip ticket. A round-trip ticket.
Son fils s'appelle Chris.
His son is Chris. His son is Chris.
C'est trop cher.
That's too expensive. That's too expensive.
Vous attendez quelqu'un.
Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone?
Où se trouve la pharmacie?
Where's the pharmacy? Where's the pharmacy?
Dès que possible.
As soon as possible. As soon as possible.
Quand est votre anniversaire?
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
Tu veux venir avec moi?
Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me?
Ne me laissez pas tomber.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Cela va trop loin.
It's going too far. It's going too far.
Il a une belle voiture.
He has a nice car. He has a nice car.
J'ai la bouche pleine d'eau.
My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering.
Il y a anguille sous roche.
I smell a rat. I smell a rat.
C'est trop bruyant.
It's too noisy. It's too noisy.
Il me respecte.
He respects me. He respects me.
Il est écran aujourd'hui.
He's edgy today. He's edgy today.
J'ai 2 garçons.
I have 2 boys. I have 2 boys.
C'est un grand jour.
It's a great day. It's a great day.
C'est trop gras.
It's too greasy. It's too greasy.
Ma femme m'a quitté.
My wife left me. My wife left me.
Expliquez-moi.
Explain it to me. Explain it to me.
Serrez-moi fort.
Hold me tightly. Hold me tightly.
J'ai presque réussi.
I almost made it. I almost made it.
Je n'ai pas dit cela.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Je n'ai pas confiance en lui.
I don't trust him. I don't trust him.
J'ai une coupure ici.
I have a cut here. I have a cut here.
Je pense que c'est bien.
I think it's nice. I think it's nice.
Je suis en vacances.
I'm vacationing. I'm vacationing.
Il fait froid aujourd'hui.
It's nippy today. It's nippy today.
Pas de problème ici.
No problem here. No problem here.
Essuyez vos larmes.
Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears.
Mais je ne peux pas m'en empêcher.
But I can't help it. But I can't help it.
Ne faites pas l'idiot.
Don't play stupid. Don't play stupid.
J'étais trop nerveux.
I was too nervous. I was too nervous.
J'ai gagné à la loterie.
I won the lottery. I won the lottery.
Ce n'est pas grand-chose.
It's nothing much. It's nothing much.
Faisons une pause.
Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Mes notes ont augmenté.
My grades went up. My grades went up.
Ce n'était pas drôle.
That wasn't funny. That wasn't funny.
C'est cher.
That's expensive. That's expensive.
C'est les gentil de votre part.
That's nice of you. That's nice of you.
Le temps est précieux.
Time is precious. Time is precious.
Je viens du Canada.
I come from Canada. I come from Canada.
Je ne m'y oppose pas.
I don't object to it. I don't object to it.
Je voudrais m'enregistrer.
I'd like to check in. I'd like to check in.
Éteignez la radio.
Turn off the radio. Turn off the radio.
Tout ce que vous voulez.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Il vient de se marier.
He is newly married. He is newly married.
Partons d'ici.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Que proposez-vous?
What do you suggest? What do you suggest?
À la nouvelle année.
Here's to the new year. Here's to the new year.
Ça a l'air délicieux.
This looks delicious. This looks delicious.
Qu'avez-vous fait?
What have you been up to? What have you been up to?
Où joue Émilie?
Where's Emily playing? Where's Emily playing?
Pouvez-vous épeler votre nom?
Could you spell your name? Could you spell your name?
15,
15. 15.
J'ai mal à l'estomac.
My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.
Ce stylo est-il le vôtre?
Is this pen yours? Is this pen yours?
Je vais faire de mon mieux.
I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
J'essaie de le faire.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to.
Passez à la deuxième piste.
Go to track 2. Go to track 2.
Jimmy mange beaucoup.
Jimmy eats a lot. Jimmy eats a lot.
Remplissez le formulaire.
Fill out the form. Fill out the form.
Je veux rompre.
I want to break up. I want to break up.
Arrêtons-nous là.
Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day.
La pluie est attendue.
Rain is expected. Rain is expected.
Vous parlez trop.
You talk too much. You talk too much.
Puis-je me faire rembourser?
Can I have a refund? Can I have a refund?
Il me regarde de haut.
He looks down on me. He looks down on me.
Je n'en ai pas envie.
I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it.
Je dois y aller.
I have to get going. I have to get going.
Je vous soutiendrai.
I will support you. I will support you.
Je suis prêt à abandonner.
I'm ready to give up. I'm ready to give up.
Je suis légèrement sous.
I'm slightly drunk. I'm slightly drunk.
Ce siège est-il occupé?
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
Je suis désolé.
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
C'est comme ça qu'il faut faire.
This is how you do it. This is how you do it.
Cette viande est tendre.
This meat is tender. This meat is tender.
Nous comprenons cela.
We understand that. We understand that.
Vous avez l'air épuisé.
You look exhausted. You look exhausted.
Vous ne pouvez pas manger ici.
You may not eat here. You may not eat here.
Vous êtes trop généreux.
You're too generous. You're too generous.
Faites ce que vous voulez.
Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want.
Vous avez besoin d'aide?
Do you need some help? Do you need some help?
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't get your drift. I don't get your drift.
Puis-je laisser un message?
May I leave a message? May I leave a message?
Appelez à l'aide.
Please call for help. Please call for help.
Pourquoi êtes-vous ici?
What are you here for? What are you here for?
Amy mange très peu.
Emmy eats very little. Emmy eats very little.
Êtes-vous prêt à commander?
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Reprenez-vous.
Get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself.
Ils sont à peu près pareils.
They're about the same. They're about the same.
Êtes-vous à nouveau vous-même?
Are you yourself again? Are you yourself again?
Elle n'était pas au courant?
Didn't she know about it? Didn't she know about it?
Peut-on entrer?
Is it all right to come in? Is it all right to come in?
Quand avez-vous des billets?
When do you have tickets? When do you have tickets?
Environ 75 kilos.
About 75 kilograms. About 75 kilograms.
11,
11. 11.
14.
14. 14.
Je reviendrai plus tard.
I'll come back later. I'll come back later.
C'est contraire à la loi.
It's against the law. It's against the law.
Pouvez-vous me le porter?
Can you carry this for me? Can you carry this for me?
Votre main est froide.
Your hand feels cold. Your hand feels cold.
Cela dépend du temps.
It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather.
Qu'est-ce que le code postal?
What is the postcode? What is the postcode?
Qu'avez-vous fait hier?
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
J'ai besoin d'une autre clé.
I need another key. I need another key.
Veuillez parler lentement.
Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly.
Pouvez-vous rappeler plus tard?
Can you call back later? Can you call back later?
Nous ne voulons pas y aller.
We don't want to go. We don't want to go.
Combien cela représente-t-il?
How much is that? How much is that?
Je vous appellerai en partant.
I'll call you when I leave. I'll call you when I leave.
Cela ne vous regarde pas.
None of your business. None of your business.
Aime-t-elle les glaces?
Does she like ice cream? Does she like ice cream?
J'ai quitté mon emploi.
I quit my job. I quit my job.
Je vous l'avais dit.
I told you so. I told you so.
J'en serais heureux.
I'd be glad to. I'd be glad to.
Personne ne s'en soucie.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Tous les jours sont bons.
Any day is okay. Any day is okay.
Tout le monde va bien.
Anyone is okay. Anyone is okay.
Ne vous relâchez pas.
Don't slack off. Don't slack off.
La situation s'aggrave.
Getting worse. Getting worse.
C'est un vrai héros.
He's a real hero. He's a real hero.
Ce n'est pas grave.
It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
J'ai mal aux dents.
My tooth hurts. My tooth hurts.
Vous avez été génial.
You were great. You were great.
Sois mon Valentin.
Be my Valentine. Be my Valentine.
Il n'est plus là maintenant.
He's not here now. He's not here now.
Voici John.
Here comes John. Here comes John.
Je vis pour la pizza.
I live for pizza. I live for pizza.
C'est vraiment facile.
It's really easy. It's really easy.
Allons danser.
Let's go dancing. Let's go dancing.
Ce jour-là, c'est bien.
That day is fine. That day is fine.
Je n'en ai aucune idée.
I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue.
Je vais y réfléchir.
I will sleep on it. I will sleep on it.
Je suis toujours honnête.
I'm always honest. I'm always honest.
Je ne fais que regarder.
I'm just browsing. I'm just browsing.
Elle pourrait être fausse.
It could be false. It could be false.
Portons un toast.
Let's make a toast. Let's make a toast.
C'est exactement cela.
That's it exactly. That's it exactly.
Jusqu'au mois prochain.
Until next month. Until next month.
Quelle est cette odeur?
What's that smell? What's that smell?
Vous m'avez sauvé la vie.
You saved my life. You saved my life.
Vous m'avez surpris.
You surprised me. You surprised me.
Vous avez le contrôle.
You're in control. You're in control.
Où vous voulez.
Any place you want. Any place you want.
Bonne fête des mères.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
J'ai arrêté de fumer.
I stopped smoking. I stopped smoking.
C'est un lit pliable.
It's a foldable bed. It's a foldable bed.
Ma bouche est en feu.
My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire.
Veuillez faire une ligne.
Please make a line. Please make a line.
Vous avez l'air confus.
You look confused. You look confused.
On ne peut pas en parler?
Can't we talk it over? Can't we talk it over?
Vous voulez dire celui-ci?
Do you mean this one? Do you mean this one?
Avez-vous besoin d'aide?
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
Ne vous inquiétez pas.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
J'ai la dent sucrée.
I have a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth.
J'aimerais vérifier.
I'd like to check out. I'd like to check out.
J'en ai jusque-là.
I've had it up to here. I've had it up to here.
C'est une vraie plaie.
It's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass.
Puis-je avoir de l'eau?
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
Il a pris du poids.
He has gained weight. He has gained weight.
Je ne sais pas où je suis.
I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am.
Je dis la vérité.
I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth.
Faites quelque chose.
Do something about it. Do something about it.
Il m'a tout raconté.
He told me all about it. He told me all about it.
J'ai trop bu.
I had too much to drink. I had too much to drink.
Je vis dans un appartement.
I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment.
Tout cela n'a servi à rien.
It was all for nothing. It was all for nothing.
C'est un peu serré.
It's a little bit tight. It's a little bit tight.
Merci d'avoir attendu.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting.
Vous voulez du café?
Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee?
Je ne t'aime plus.
I don't love you anymore. I don't love you anymore.
Peut-on boire?
Is it all right to drink? Is it all right to drink?
Lequel dois-je porter?
Which one should I wear? Which one should I wear?
Vous devez faire une pause.
You need to take a break. You need to take a break.
Pourriez-vous m'aider?
Would you please help me? Would you please help me?
J'aurais dû le savoir.
I should have known better. I should have known better.
16,
16. 16.
le premier.
The first. The first.
Cage thoracique.
Rib cage. Rib cage.
Oui.
Yes. Yes.
Il parle anglais.
They are speaking English. They are speaking English.
Il l'aime beaucoup.
He likes it very much. He likes it very much.
Un billet pour Lisbonne.
One ticket to Lisbon. One ticket to Lisbon.
Toutes vos affaires sont là.
Your things are all here. Your things are all here.
Je vous parlerai bientôt.
I'll talk to you soon. I'll talk to you soon.
Je suis très fier de vous.
I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you.
On est dimanche aujourd'hui.
It's Sunday today. It's Sunday today.
Il collecte de l'argent.
He is collecting money. He is collecting money.
Non, je n'en ai pas.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Ne m'insultez pas.
Don't insult me. Don't insult me.
Il me méprise.
He despises me. He despises me.
Cela vaut la peine d'essayer.
It's worth a try. It's worth a try.
Pas de trucs marrants.
No funny stuff. No funny stuff.
Vous avez l'air grave.
You look grave. You look grave.
C'est un homme simple.
He's a simple man. He's a simple man.
J'ai besoin de plus de temps.
I need more time. I need more time.
C'est un jour de gel.
It's a frosty day. It's a frosty day.
C'est impossible.
It's impossible. It's impossible.
C'est à l'envers.
It's upside down. It's upside down.
Tenons-nous la main.
Let's hold hands. Let's hold hands.
Aucune chance.
No chance at all. No chance at all.